that is right there now, when it's true midday, high noon, this would be over here. Now, I already know where my north is. North here, where I'm at, is in this direction as I have my pen. Okay. Now, what you're going to find out is during the summer solstice, when you're north of the equator, it's going to be the shortest shadow closest to this pole or this stick. All right. And so this shadow that you see here is going to be here. It's always going to be the opposite of the way the sun is above your head. When the sun is coming up from the east, we'll wait for that noise to go away. When the sun is coming up from the east, your shadow is going to be casted to the west. When the sun is getting ready to go down in the west, it's going to cast a shadow to the east. Does that make sense? All right. And so the same thing with when the sun is due north above your head, it's going to be casting the shadow right up in the direction towards the north, because the sun's going to be behind you north of the equator. Okay. Now, during the summer solstice, what you're going to do is you're going to mark out during the high day of the day. And again, that only high day is only going to happen during high noon. So every day you're going to want to come out and you're going to want to mark the very tip. So let's just pretend like this is high noon right now. You're going to want to mark that. Okay. Scratch it, put a rock, whatever you need to do. And then you're going to do the next day. And what you're going to find out is that shadow is going to recede closer and closer. It's going to get shorter as it approaches the solstice, the summer solstice. The day that it's the shortest, and the next day you come out from where you marked it and it starts to go back again, then you know the day before was your summer solstice. That's how you know what is your summer solstice. That day is going to be the day that you know is going to be the fourth day of the week. Just like what Jeremy was talking about. That happens 4 times a year. It happens on both the equinoxes and the solstices. And so if you have a calendar bead, you're going to notice that the fourth day is always going to have, what do you call it? The chakufas, or the first day of the season, is always going to be on the fourth day. Okay. It happens like clockwork. And so it'll be the opposite for the winter solstice. It will be the longest shadow. It will be really long. It'll be the opposite. The shadow will be really long. And when the shadow is getting shorter, you know that the day before that was the winter solstice. I hope that makes sense. Do either one of you guys have anything you want to add to that? And so that's how you find your solstices. It's that simple. So I would encourage any of you to go in your backyard and take a stick and put it in the ground. Make sure you don't move it, because that's key. You're going to want to make sure that thing is stable, it's sturdy, and don't let your dogs hit it. Don't let anything hit it. Make sure that the wind can't move it. And so you can mark out your day. You can mark out the shadow of the sun on that stick. And it's literally that simple. All right. Okay. So with that being said,